In this video, we're reviewing the World Elite Mastercard to help you determine if it's the right fit for your financial needs or if you should look elsewhere. The World Elite Mastercard is a premium credit card offering a suite of benefits designed for frequent travelers and those seeking luxury perks. Cardholders gain access to over 1,700 airport lounges worldwide through LoungeKey, enjoy complimentary ShopRunner membership for free 2-day shipping and returns at over 100 online retailers, and receive exclusive discounts and offers from partners like Alo Moves, Lyft, and Resort Pass. Additionally, the card provides 24/7 concierge services to assist with travel bookings, event planning, and more. For those concerned about protection, the World Elite Mastercard offers a range of insurance benefits, including extended warranty coverage, price protection, and travel insurance for trip cancellations, lost luggage, and medical emergencies. However, it's important to note that the specific benefits and fees associated with the World Elite Mastercard can vary depending on the issuing bank. Some cards may come with high annual fees, while others may offer no annual fee but with limited rewards or benefits. Therefore, it's crucial to carefully review the terms and conditions of the specific card you're considering to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and spending habits. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech and finance insights.